Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to use Notion on your iPhone effectively. We'll dive right into mastering the mobile application, ensuring you can manage your tasks and projects seamlessly from anywhere. You'll learn to navigate the intuitive interface, create new content with ease, and keep your digital workspace perfectly organized. This guide will help you unlock the full potential of Notion, transforming your iPhone into a powerful productivity hub for all your notes, databases, and collaborative efforts, making your workflow incredibly smooth and efficient. Navigating your Notion workspace on an iPhone is incredibly straightforward. You can easily access your most important pages and recent documents directly from the sidebar. The powerful search bar allows you to locate any piece of information within seconds, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, if you manage multiple workspaces, switching between them is just a simple tap away, ensuring you always have the right context for your work. This streamlined navigation makes managing your information on the go a breeze. Creating and editing content in Notion on your iPhone is surprisingly robust. You can effortlessly create new pages, databases, or even use existing templates to kickstart your projects. The mobile editor allows you to add various blocks, format text, and organize your information with precision. Need to add a photo or a document? You can upload files and embed media directly from your phone's gallery or files, making it a comprehensive tool for capturing all your ideas and data wherever you are, ensuring nothing gets missed. To truly maximize your Notion experience on iPhone, consider these advanced tips. Set up custom notifications for specific pages or tasks, ensuring you never miss an important deadline or update. Leverage Notion widgets on your home screen for instant access to your most frequently used pages or databases, saving you precious seconds. Additionally, mastering the offline mode allows you to continue working on your content even without an internet connection, syncing automatically once you're back online. These features elevate your mobile productivity to a whole new level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.